How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I wanted to quickly talk about some of the easiest VPNs to use for beginners. Now, I didn't pick these three just because they're easy to use, but they're also very good VPNs that are overall just some of the best VPNs you can use out there. If you're new to the world of VPNs, you know that finding a service that's easy to set up and use can be a daunting task. But fortunately for you, I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs and I've narrowed it down to these three as the best overall. They all vary in budgets and features, so you can pick and choose depending on your situation and what you're looking for. Now, these VPNs, as you can tell, they do have a very user-friendly interface. They have 24/7 live chat support. They have solid encryption, strict no-logs policies, great speeds, full support for streaming and torrenting, and the kill switch and split tunneling features, as well as a bunch of servers. So you've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries with ExpressVPN. You'll be able to secure up to 5 devices per subscription. You've got the network lock, which is the kill switch, and the kill switch will stop your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. And split tunneling will allow you to choose which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not, which can be a very useful feature to have. All these VPNs, again, have the kill switch and split tunneling. And as far as protocols, you can just choose the fastest protocol, which is lightweight UDP with ExpressVPN, or you can stick with automatic. I'm going to stick to lightweight UDP. And now that I have my protocol selected, you're just going to go to locations, pick your desired location. Let's just go with, for example, Atlanta, and you're going to click connect. Now, I like to use ExpressVPN because it's my personal favorite VPN. It's the most consistent, reliable, and easiest to use out of the three. And so that's what I like to go for. But if you're looking for more of a well-rounded option that offers a whole bunch of bonus features for a very reasonable price, then NordVPN is a great option. You've got over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and you'll be able to secure up to 6 devices per subscription. You still get the kill switch and split tunneling, and you have a great protocol here called NordLynx, which is super quick. You've got custom DNS for an easy way to change your DNS, a bunch of specialty servers, threat protection, which also acts as not only an ad blocker and malware blocker, but also like a mini antivirus. It will protect you from infected files before they download to your device. You've also got the dark web monitor, which will keep an eye out for leaked data linked to your email address and personal information, and MeshNet, which is pretty much encrypted remote access. Now, if you're looking for more of a budget VPN, well, Surfshark is going to be the best budget VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without sacrificing any of the necessary security features, such as the kill switch, split tunneling, which is called bypasser here. You still have a speed tester, just like ExpressVPN. You've got a bunch of protocols, including the WireGuard protocol, which is going to be the fastest one. You also still have the ad blocker and a couple of features that'll help you if you're in a censorship-heavy country. And of course, multi-hop and static IP, which will be great if you're looking for double the encryption. You do get double VPN static IP also with NordVPN, except that you also have 3 extra specialty servers with NordVPN. You've got over 3,200 servers in 100 countries with Surfshark, and you'll virtually be able to secure an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription, which makes it a great option if you're looking to share your account with as many friends and family members as you'd like. And that's pretty much it for these VPNs. And when it comes to installing and downloading these VPNs, all you need to do is click one of the links in the description down below. You'll get a coupon code applied automatically. Once you've got the subscription, just download the VPN and just click OK and click yes until the installation is complete, and use your credentials to log into the VPN application itself, and you'll be able to select your server. Of course, it's not just for encrypting and protecting your data. It's also for streaming services. If you want to stream services that may not be available to you, if you want to protect yourself while torrenting or while you're on public Wi-Fi, or just, maybe get access to websites that otherwise may not be available to you. So yeah, a VPN can be a very useful tool. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about these VPNs, you'll find the full reviews down below, as well as links to pricing and discounts. Again, if you want to jump straight to that, either way, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.